Let's see if we can turn a 2D comic page into a live-action movie. Seedance 2 just went live in DreamNet for a few countries, so it's time to put it to the test. I've picked out some awesome comic pages from Dota 2, specifically from the new Crownfall event, and I want to see how well Seedance 2 can handle it. For the first time, I'll just go in with the simple prompt. Now for the settings, it should be in omni-reference, and for the aspect ratio, let's go with 16:9. I'm going to set the generation time to 10 seconds. All right, everything looks good. Let's go.
Don't.
I am sorry, my queen.
Don't.
I didn't think I'd be missed if I...
Tell me how protected I feel.
Okay, so visually it's looking good, but it's definitely not what I expected. Seedance completely missed the context of the dialogue from the comic panel. Maybe my duration is too short. Let's fix that. I'm heading back into ChatGPT to refine the prompt, and this time we're pushing hard for that realistic live-action feel. I'm also bumping the timer up to 15 seconds to give the scene more room to breathe. Just to test the waters, I actually ran 2 separate generations, and one on the standard Seedance 2 model. One using Seedance 2 Fast. Let's take a look and compare them.
I think I'd be more surprised if you finally attended one.
I am sorry, my queen. With so many Queensguard already protecting you today, I didn't think I'd be missed if I...
Don't. Tell me how protected I feel. I think I'd be more surprised if you finally attended one.
I am sorry, my queen. With so many Queensguard already protecting you today, I didn't think I'd be missed if I...
Don't. Tell me how protected I feel.
These results are awesome. I prefer Seedance 2 than Seedance 2 Fast. Of course, it is Pro model. The face expression are more detailed, and the cinematic color tone is looking better. The only part is, there is a part the character is not speaking and there is a voice. How do you guys think? Let me know in the comment. Now I want to try another way. I generate my own storyboard in Gemini. It's about a cute Shiba dog and the cat. Let's see how Seedance 2 transform into video.
Wow, this looks absolutely perfect. The background sound, the animation style, the color grading, it all came together flawlessly. The craziest part is that Seedance 2 even automatically included cute caption that matched the exact comic layout I created. It completely nailed the vibe we were going for. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you in the next video.